Hello curious human, today I am changing the battery on my Sentry SS. I'm a Sentry fan, so I'm using a little pick here. You can get a kit like this for not too much online. In here you've got a pin that is spring loaded, so you just push on it like this, so you can open. You've got this tool, which I already set to go in those grooves here. Alright, so you open the back, check that the gasket is still fine. That battery should be held up. Battery popped out. So on the website they say that the battery is a SR626, which turned out to be a 377. Put it sideways, so it's under that one here. Push it down while moving that other one. And make sure that it's under. Let's see if it's ticking again. And it is working. And that's about it. You just do the reverse. Make sure your cat hair, there's cat hairs everywhere. And you just screw that back in. Pop this spring back on. Your pin. And that's it. Yeah.